Hi crafters, this is Cassie, aka The Crafting Chef, bringing you another tutorial on behalf of Sub This and That, home of the monthly sublimation box. In today's tutorial, I'm working from our February 2024 box titled Your Adventure Awaits. See the description box down below for all the items included in this travel themed box. Today I'm going to be sublimating this luggage tag. So you get the actual luggage tag and then you get the strap to actually attach it to your suitcase or your carry-on. But the difference between this and other luggage tags that I've seen out there or that we even carry is this one has an actual pocket. So how awesome is this? So you can put a card inside, let me measure, that has your name, email address, or phone number in case your luggage gets lost. Okay, I'm going to pull it in just a little to give you guys an accurate measurement. This is about 2 1/8 by 2 1/4. So 2 1/8 by 2 1/4. And I wish I had, let me see, let's just tear off a piece of this paper. And you would literally be able to slide it down in there. Now, of course, you want to go wider when you make your insert for your customers. So you want your insert to probably be about 2 1/2 wide by, I would say 2 3/4. So I would make my insert 2 1/2 wide by 2 3/4. That way it fills out the sides, and then you have it just enough height wise that it's underneath here so that you can slip in and pull it out. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is I have my spray bottle of alcohol. I'm just going to lightly mist a cloth. And then I'm going to clean this off. Okay, I'm going to let that sit for a couple seconds. Let it dry and fan it. And then I'm going to go ahead and tape it down. One of the things in my design that I did not account for was the actual opening for the strap. So my words may get cut off, but I'm going to come up as far as I can without touching the red line that I have in place. Sorry if the camera is shaking. I have removed it from the heat press. I made it within the lines, guys. Although the bottom of my globe got cut off a little bit, but I like it. So I would just shrink I would shrink my globe a little bit more is what I would really do. Let's see, add that in there. I'm gonna go on the top, come out through the bottom, and then if you guys can see the catch there, so I'll pull it and then snap it into place. I'm gonna pull it in just so I can see it, and there you have it. There's your luggage tag. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.